So I'm absolutely loving my Bowen journey so far. I was a little bit doubtful in the beginning just because I work full time and I'm really flat stick, but it's been absolutely smooth sailing from my first initial contact with my trainer. I knew I'd be able to work full time and do the study. It's been quite good because it's self-paced, no lectures, which is a definite bonus. No classes. The weekends where you do some hands-on stuff has been absolutely incredible. Working with like-minded people, my group, the trainer, have just been amazing, which I've absolutely loved. And I guess front and foremost, seeing the results that your clients have from receiving Bowen is pretty life-changing. So I'm excited to continue with my Bowen journey, and if you're contemplating doing the course, I would highly recommend it.